As a result of climate change, many abrupt, nonlinear ecological adaptations are occurring and are likely to continue into the future. This can be seen in range shifts that have occurred in the American pika species. They have been observed to migrate north as climate change has resulted in atmospheric warming. Not only are these individual species affected, but neighboring habitats are also being affected due to changes in soil composition. Researchers have been employing bioclimatic envelope models in the Great Basin to evaluate these changes and their relationship between biotic and abiotic factors. Interspecific competition in the Great Basin has led to a decline in the bristlecone tree species, while the ponderosa pine has prospered in its place, as limited resources have created a more competitive relationship. Another example of an abrupt nonlinear environmental change is a timing mismatch of resource availability with the animal mating seasons. Large herbivores, such as the reindeer of South Georgia Island, have adapted to climate change by adjusting their mating seasons to match resource availability and lessen offspring mortality. Alternatively, the blue-tit bird has been suffering due to their inability to match their nesting season with a shift in their resource availability. As a result, the fledglings and the mature birds are now in an intra-specific competition for resources. Historically, abrupt climate change has occurred without any correlation to Earth's major known extinctions, allowing variations in morphological, phenological, and behavioral traits in species, allowing them to endure the changes. Most of Europe's and North America's existing species were exposed to this abrupt climate change in the Pleistocene era and were able to adapt to prevent a complete loss of species. However, the climate change that we are experiencing now is coupled with high levels of carbon dioxide, which was not the case in the past. The addition of this new variable will affect our ability to predict the future outcome based on the past evidence. Understanding this correlation between climate change and carbon dioxide is the key to saving hundreds of thousands of species, possibly even our own.